Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we already discussed about what is branch and the terminologies of branch. Now here in this video, we are going to discuss about branch practically. Very easy way and you can easily understand this, but the only thing is you have to go step by step. Now to understand this, here I am in one particular directory, okay. The directory name is code 7 and this is not Git repo, okay. So I'm going to create Git repo. So Git init is a command, okay, and now it is done.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you. You can enjoy.
Now by default in the Git, it is creating master branch or main, but we have master branch, right? If you give command git branch right now, you are not going to get any branch. Why? Because we don't have any commit over there inside the master branch. So what I am doing, I am going to create one file with the vi, okay. So vi, I am going to give name main, okay. And here I am going to write this is master code, master source code, okay. This is master source code. Now I am going to save this. Now we have the command git status, okay, and we have to add this file, right? So git add main, and I'm going to write the commit as well, git commit dash m, and here we have let's say that version 1, okay, and we have main file, so it is done. Now if I'm going to command git log, okay, you will get this, see master, and here we have head master as well. And if you give the command git branch now, okay, see, you will find out that you are in the master branch, because by default it is always a master branch we have, and the star indicating that currently I am inside the master branch. Now here we have all the command to see the local branches. The command is git branch, that is what I have used over here. If you want to create the new branch, the command is git branch and the branch name. Here I am going to create 3 branch, okay. Git branch team 1. Again going to give command team 2 and team 3. I can verify all this branch by giving the command git branch, and look at this. I have master, team 1, team 2 and team 3. 3 branches I have, right? Now, there is one another command that we need to consider, okay? Create a new branch and switch to this branch, right? So you can give this command git checkout -b and the branch name, okay? Let's say that I am going to create team 4, okay? So what will happen? I am going to give command git checkout, okay, -b, and I want to say team 4. So what happened when you use switch -b, okay, it will create your branch and you will switch to this branch as well, okay. See, now created the branch and now I am switched into the branch as well. So if I am going to give command git branch, okay, look at this. Right now I am in the that particular branch team 4. See, git checkout is a command that we are using from the years, but after 2022 or 2023, Git realized that we are using checkout command for other use case as well. So they also introduced new command known as git switch -c. Okay, so let's say that if I want to create the new branch, okay, I can also use this command git switch. Okay, -c means you are going inside that particular branch, and I'm going to create switch. Okay, create a team 5, same command. Okay, so right now I am inside the team 4. Okay, it will create the new branch, same as we have checkout command. It will create the new branch, and I will switch to this as well. So if I'm giving this command, okay, done. And if you give this command like git branch, look at this. So old generation always using git checkout, and now new is git switch. Right now I am in the team 5. Okay, if you want to delete this particular branch, you can also delete this. Okay, so let's say that if I want to delete branch 4, okay, git branch -d switch, okay, and I'm going to say team 4. Okay, let's give the command git branch. Let me try to delete team 5. Okay, why? Because I am inside this, so it is not allowing me to delete this. Okay, now in this case you have to switch your branch. Okay, so switch to the new branch. You can give the command git checkout. Okay, let's say that I have to move to this, right? So I'm going to say git checkout. Okay, and team 1. So now I switch from the branch 5 to branch 1. And if you look at this, right now I am in the team 1. Okay, now they also released the new command. It is git switch. Okay, so git checkout and git switch are like the same. So I can say that git switch master. So I will be in the master branch. Okay, right. And look at this. I am inside this. If you have old version, maybe git switch will not work. So please install latest version in order to use git switch command. Okay, now I can delete this branch as well. Git branch -d, and then I'm going to delete team 5. Okay, git branch -d and team 5. Done. And if you look at this, we have mainly master branch, and then we have team 1, team 2, team 3. And if you go for the last command, it is to merge the branch. Now this is very interesting command. In this video we just discussed about how we can create branch, how we can delete branch, how we can switch between the branch. Okay, that's all. How we are going to work with the branch, it is the next video. Do not delete these branches or anything, okay, because we are going to use same. We don't want to repeat these commands. Okay, so in the next video we are going to use same branch. Stay in touch. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.